Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here for Veggie4 Food Therapy. Today is Thursday, 26th of July, 2024, and I have a 4-fruit salad here. I have Red Pitaya, I think a quarter of a Red Pitaya, sliced into pieces. I've got black grapes, 10 black grapes, and about 8 strawberries. Now the strawberries I bought initially last Thursday at the Pasar Malam, 10 ringgit a punnet. And yesterday when I was at Big Grocer in Ikano, IPC, they were on sale, marked down. 1 punnet was at 50% discount, and they were 10.30. I can't remember whether they were 10.30 for 2 or 10.30 each, but I bought 2 punnets. There were only 2 punnets of strawberries, so because of that, instead of my usual 3 strawberries a day, I added 8. Okay, so 8 strawberries, black grapes, some red pitaya, 1 banana, and what else? Yeah, that's it. 4 fruit. Oh yes, 1 plum. So actually it's a 5-fruit salad, okay, and 1 plum. Plum was from last Thursday. I didn't go to Pasar Malam today, Thursday, because I had some food left over because I ate out yesterday. My cousin belanja makan at Sambal Hijau, and then tomorrow I have a lunch date and a dinner date, so I won't be eating so much food, so I didn't bother to go to Pasar Malam today. Okay, so as for nuts, I've already put 3 types of seeds. I've got melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. I ran out of chia seeds, so I bought yesterday at at Eon. Chia seeds as well as pumpkin seeds and melon seeds. I'm going to put some walnuts. I have some walnuts in a tub which I haven't put yet, so I'm going to put some walnuts. I've already put a squeeze of lemon juice and a squeeze of lime juice, so I'm going to give it a good stir, put the walnuts, and enjoy my 5-fruit salad today. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Five-fruit salad with nuts and herbs. Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024. Ingredients: 1/4 red pitaya, 1 plum, 1 banana, sliced 8 strawberries, halved 10 black grapes, halved. Fresh mint leaves, fresh basil leaves, key lime juice, lemon juice, chia seeds, melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts. More fruit salad recipes http://bit.ly/fruit salads by Aslan.
I forgot to mention the herbs. I've actually got 2 types of herbs in there. I've got mint and daun selaseh, basil leaves, okay? And I tell you something, strawberries and bananas are such a good combination. They go so well together. Okay, so if you want to have a fruit salad and you have strawberries, try to get some bananas and put a slice of bananas. It was quite a large banana. I sliced it into 14 slices. Okay, and the strawberries, normally I'm quite stingy, I quarter them, but today because I had a lot and they were marked down, reduced to clear, so I actually just halved the strawberries rather than quarter them. Oh, it's very delicious, I tell you. It's the combination of the various fruits and the herbs, they just go so well together, this 5-fruit salad.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.